Hi there. Today this video is about knowing that we can actually fix the home button. So this was the home button which actually came out of this phone. As you can see, this top bit of this home button was broken while just a normal use of customer. So what we've actually done is we have got obviously this assistive touch on the screen, so that is just a normal bit anyway, but we've got this home button, this proper home button which works like a normal home button. The only thing you don't get is the touch ID, just exactly as a iPhone 6 or 6s is, but at least you've got something there. Previously you could not actually get any functionality back from the home button once it is broken, but as you can see that we can sort it out. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna turn off the accessibility so you know that it's not a fake video, of course. So turn off here, there you go. So obviously there's no the on-screen home button, but this home button, see, this is actual home button which works. Yeah, so the whole purpose of this video is just to make people aware that we can do such a repair. And if you need quotations or if you need it to be sorted, please do contact us and we can do it same day. Thank you.